Boolean type variables are special integer variables, which can only get the value 1 or 0. Or in other words, they can get the value true or false. We already have lots of predefined Boolean variables in Monospost Developer. You can also create your own custom Boolean variables as well. Watch the video, What is Custom Variable, to learn more about creating them. These are the 5 alternatives of using Boolean variables inside Monospost Developer. Boolean type variables are always used as conditions. By using them as conditions, you can define a subcommand under a command. You can define a case, or in other words sub-event, inside an event. You can even define a new operation in the operation tree. You can also use them again as conditions inside formula variables. And also in scripts. Let's start with commands, because this will be the one that you will mostly use. When you right-click on a command and select Add Subcommand, a pop-up window will appear. This window shows all predefined and custom Boolean type variables currently available in your post processor. Predefined variables are listed above, and user-defined custom ones are listed at the bottom. You can select any of these Boolean variables to create your subcommand. As you can see, operation names are also Boolean variables in Monospost Developer. You can select them as your condition as well. Let's select rotary axis 1 changed as our condition. And after you have created, the Boolean variable will be shown as your condition in the right side of the subcommand. This subcommand for format motion linear will be active when the value of rotary axis 1 changes. Similarly, you can also use Boolean variables to create cases, or in other words, sub-events inside events. When you right-click on the event, which you want to create a case in it, the same pop-up will appear. And you will select your condition for your sub-event. And after you create it, the Boolean name will appear near the case term. In the same way, you can also create a new operation in the operation tree. For instance, here in this post processor, angle head operation is actually a custom Boolean variable. You can see the same named Boolean variable here on the Custom Variables tab. However, only professional package users can add new cases inside events, and also can add new operations in the operation tree. As a standard package user, you can use Boolean variables only for creating subcommands. You can also use Boolean variables to define conditions inside custom formula variables. Let's look at this formula variable. As you can see, 2 predefined Boolean variables are used here. Note that these Boolean variables are operation types. And here, an if statement is used to check if one of them is true. There is also something interesting here. This formula variable is itself a Boolean variable. And so we return either true or false within this variable. This shows us that you can also create formula variables of Boolean type. Lastly, you can use Boolean variables inside scripts. Let's create a script together. And let's first give it a name. I will paste the formula inside my formula variable to easily create my script. I will delete the return functions here, because I cannot use return function inside scripts. I will change them with my custom variable. That's it. By doing this, I am using Boolean variables again as a condition in my script.